Welcome everyone, this is Lewis, and right now you're watching Timeless Side Trails, and we are here at Wawona area, Yosemite National Park. So I was around here at Wawona National Park, and it's a really peaceful valley place. Actually, this video is a little more different than the videos I usually make. It's because I had my meta glasses that my wife gave me during April. I didn't have my battery for my camera work and everything that I had before. Anyways, you can't even do drones over here because it's a national park. They give you a big ticket. So this place, we're entering the Mariposa Grove. One of the most beautiful and giant sequoia trees. A sequoia are different because redwood is a tall and sequoia is actually wide in diameter. And living to the connection of the grammar of the fallen monarch. So I was looking around my map and seeing where I was supposed to go and where I was. And here, for massive centuries old sequoia trees are laying down in the Yosemite Mariposa Grove fell naturally long before the area became a park. The giant sequoia wood resistant decay of the trunk remarkably intact from hundreds of years. In the late 1980s, the hollow interior of the largest of the U.S., one who actually protected Yosemite before the National Park Service was reported used in stable and shelter. Today is one living remainder of the temporary stable shelter, living of the size and strength of ancient trees. So this tree is 1800 to 2700 years old from the Romanian Empire, standing way back. The vegetable trees grace one of the Mariposa Grove most enchantment national sequoias, the root system standing together in slight testament of their endurance, the weather binding of the naturals and sparks on the spirit of the forest. So this trail to go towards the sequoias are around 1/8 of a mile. And the cars used to pass there, also motorcycles used to pass there. Since they took it out from 1993, there is no cars or vehicles to pass through, it's only pedestrians. And we go to the Grizzly Giants, was what it's called, from Mariposa Grove, making one of the oldest and standing trees, around 209 feet tall with 25 feet in diameter, based on the landmark of the Native American and early settlers. The tree has survived countless fires and droughts from storms. Massive branches and some up to 7 feet thick shows its incredible resistance. Today is one of the most photographed trees in the park, symbolize of the Yosemite ancient natural history of this area. So my kids here, they were really stoked about it. They were going around the giant tree. This is one of the first time my daughter saw the sequoia. Okay, here in the Wawona Point, the California Tunnel Tree is a giant sequoia located area of Yosemite. The significance of the tree is famous because back of 1895, the park workers caved into the tunnel right through its massive trunk, purpose to allow horses-drawn carriage and the early visitors to pass directly to the tree, turning into the natural gateway of population to stand over 200 feet tall and 1,000 of years old. The tunnel tree symbolizes both of the Yosemite ancient forest and the unique moments in the nature of the history of tourism and creative way to visit on the park to walk in of today of the tunnel. This tree we were going on, there was a lot of people on the other side taking pictures, and also despite of having the tunnel carved into the base, the giant sequoias can survive because of the most of their vital issue. Calorium layer is just under the bark, and they can live even with a large portion of the trunk missing. So the wildfires, each leaving a telling scar that tells its story in resistance while the flames cleared the forest. The seed actually on the roots of the 1895 during the golden age of the stagecoach and grand workers through the tunnel to base on its marking stunts. Visitors rode through the back horse of the stagecoach. Today, more than 130 years later, the California Tunnel Tree still grows, adding a new ring each year, protected as part of the National Park of Yosemite Monuments. This is not actually just only a tree, it's a witness of history and survival of the fire and remaining of the giants that non-stopping grown. And what else? Look,
hands.
Hands. The trees have hands?
Yeah. Why they only have hands?
Oh, well.
Why they have only hands?
Mm-hmm.
So they hide underground?
Yeah, the creatures.
Look, their tails.
Yeah.
That's funny. That's really funny. Let me take pictures of the studio for them. With bachelor.
Love you. I love you. I love you, Era.
Oh, that's what they hide.
Oh, yeah, down there for sure. And I'm sorry this type of format, mostly I did everything on my phone. The reason that I did it is that I didn't have the other setup that I have like in my computer, so I cannot make it as crisp as I wanted to. So this is the Wawona State Park. This is Timeless Side Trails. I'm a real estate agent in California. Please subscribe. If you want to see more of my videos, press here or press there. Thanks for watching, and until next one, bye.